Here we go. And today is the 7th, right? Today is the 7th June 2020, and this is our fun aging call. How much fun? Do you have a ceiling? Do you tell yourself, oh, this is all, I can't do more than this? Or are you willing to have it all with no point of view, with just being there? Hi, Stinder, welcome.
How are you?
Good, good. Lovely to see you. So are you the happiest people around you, within you? Where are we going with no talk? Nobody can hear me?
Yes, we are the happiest people. We are the happiest people. For that reason, we are here.
And do you have, how many happy people do you have around you?
I'm happy.
I have quite a few.
कभी तो point of view आ जाता है थोड़ा कहीं पे अटक.
क्या point of view आ जाता है कि आप खुश नहीं हो, कि point of view आ जाता है कि खुश नहीं होना चाहिए, कि point of view आ जाता है
situation कोई ऐसा आ जाता है जिसमें हम थोड़ा sad हो जाते हैं या उस situation से हम overcome नहीं हो पाते हैं. That way.
So is that also a choice?
Yeah, it's a choice, but वो situation को जरा handle करने में it takes time, no ma'am, sometimes.
Handle. Okay, while you are handling, can you be happy?
Of course, now we know the tools. Huh?
While you are handling,
And can be happy.
Yes.
If you are making an effort, if you have to make an effort.
Yes. Situation change हो जाती है तो फिर you feel no कि yes.
Situation ऐसे ही change हो जाती है कि आप कोई magic करते हो?
नहीं, हमको ही कुछ ना करना पड़ता है. I mean, of course, now we know the tools and questions. We are in questions, and we try to point of views change करना and.
So when you started it, what made you go to कभी कभी हो जाता है? What made you go to that? Is that your reality now? I don't think that's your reality now.
No, but फिर भी sometimes situation.
But is the only but you sit on.
But मतलब I mean to say कि situation comes sometimes.
Situations will come. If they don't agree with you, if they are not happening the way you would like them to happen, of course they will come. They will. You would want them to be the way you want them to be. But even if they don't be the way you want them to be, can you be happy? Are you happy? Are you choosing it to be happy at that moment?
Mostly yes, but. Again,
but is not. Sorry. Can you throw that out of your dictionary?
Yes, I throw.
When you say most of the time it is, but you are lying. You are saying, yes, you have negated the first sentence that you said. You are not lying, you made the first sentence that you said as a lie.
How lie that, man?
कि ऐसे होता है लेकिन ऐसे तो नहीं होता. तो फिर वो जो होता है वो तो झूठ है ना. वो कहाँ है वो सच? वो तो सच नहीं है. वो आपने 1 मिनट में उसको कह दिया, ऐसे तो होता नहीं है. But when you say but, par, parantu, you are saying that everything I said before this is not. Is that true? No, it's not true.
So according to you, I would have said, I'm happy all.
No, I choose to be happy all the time, no matter what. The situation.
People say, are you mad all the time? You are laughing all the time. You're enjoying yourself. They start saying, "Are you mad? Why are you laughing? Why you are happy when this is?"
Sorry,
I'm
what's
always
your
smiling, always happy. Then they say, "Why you always smiling? Always when there's a sad moment, even still you are smiling. And can't you be serious?"
yeah, people will tell you all kinds of stuff. People think you're weird. People will tell you all
Yeah.
kinds of stuff. People will make you wrong.
Yes, that's true.
So, what are you choosing? Are you willing to choose you? Every time you notice you're reacting to people or situations or something, or you're thinking about someone or feeling there's a change instead of the likeness, instead of you get to know now, you have the tools, you get to know now, oh, this is what I don't want, this is what I want.
उसको बोलो मना करो.
Sorry guys. So when that situation happens, what do?
Use tools. I go to questions. I ask question myself. I mean, put questions in the universe.
So where's the
And,
but?
interesting.
So where is the but?
Change करते करते थोड़ा time लग जाता है ना.
Now that's an interesting point of view. You have
Of
that
you,
point.
yes.
If you have that point of view, yes, it's going to take some time. But immediately you get a contraction in your body. You get you are not yourself. You're not the likeness that you are. What do you choose? Oh, what is this? What can I do about this? Can I change it? How? Immediately you using tools. Where is it the time to? Where are you believing a lie that it takes time? Everywhere you're believing that, would you be willing to destroy and get it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, cock, on a short, boys and beyond. So are you people all from Access Consciousness? I think so. So you all know what clearing statement is. What did I say this weird thing just now? And if you want to know more about it, please
Yes.
go to the
Yes.
clearingstatement.com. In Dane's voice, you can hear what he has to say about this, and you'll get total clarity if you so choose. or you can say, well, the clarity will come after a while. It's just a choice. Everything doesn't allow you to be present in every now moment to choose what works for you, what's joy for you. And your being present dissipates, starts to dissipate, whatever comes.
How does the definite get to that? What else is possible?
Whatever comes starts to dissipate just because you're being your energy now. You just recognize, oh my God, this is not me. If I was being me, what would I choose? You always have a choice to be happy. You always have a choice to be bubbly. You always have a choice to be enthusiastic. You always have a choice. Choice is just there, a step away from you. What are you choosing? That is the question. $1 million question. What are you choosing? Everything doesn't allow you to choose you. Everything does. Hi. Hello, 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 hello. 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 Sorry.
Yes.
Hi,
Yes, we can.
Nikki. Hi, Satish.
Hi.
Lovely to have you people here.
Hi.
So, I'm back again. So I gave you time to think about what it is for you.
Ma'am, after putting question to some situation, And when it takes little time to change.
Interesting point of view. You have that point of view.
Okay. And then we being present also.
What do you mean you being present? What kind of a question is that? Me being present also.
मतलब तभी वो प्रेजेंटनेस भी मूवमेंट की चली जाती है, थोड़ा शेकी हो जाते हैं.
Yeah. Are you in allowance of that? Okay. This is a new language you're learning. This hasn't been your way of life for so long.
Yes. True.
But now you're getting to know you have this. And immediately, tell me the truth. Immediately, do you come to know that there is something amiss?
Something of?
Something is missing. When you get into that contraction, when you're not present, some situation happens. Does your body give you the information? Are you still bubbly? Are you still joyous? Are you still light?
कम हो जाता है, bubbling कम हो जाता है.
Is that the information your body giving you? Is that the information your body giving you? Now you were happy, now you're not. Now there's some churning going on, now there's some ghabrat, now there's something else happening. Is that body giving you information?
Yes.
Now what? Now you have two choices. Do you want to go into that and go into the wrongless judgment and conclusion, or do you want to ask a question?
Ask question.
Yeah. Why would you be fixated on something that's just there? What contribution can be that to be to you? What's right about that you're not getting? What's right about you you're not getting? What is this? What can I do about this? Can I change it? How can I change it? Just that, and gets you back to your bubbly self, gets you back to, oh my God, I've got all the tools. Now I can handle this. Now I know how to do it, how to go about it. Until it gets handled, you still have a choice. Do you want to worry about it? Do you want to do tension about it? Or you want to ask another question? Oh my God, what would it take for this to be ease, joy, and glory? Oh my God, can I have this right away, right now? Universe, can you bring it to me right away, right now? What else is possible, universe? And suddenly it's just the energy, that energy of contraction, that energy of something happened, that energy of what happened was not according to your that you would have liked. Oh, there's a contraction. Now what can I choose? It's as simple as that. It's only a choice away. Are you willing to choose it? And everything that doesn't allow that, would you be willing to disturncate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, popcorn, donut, short, boys and girls. That is what
even when we ask questions, still we have to do clearing even.
Sorry?
When we ask questions, we don't have to do the clearing statement.
There is no have to, there's no
don't.
There is just what you feel. What you feel at that moment, it would be would dissipate this energy.
Oh.
It's just a choice away.
Oh, thank you, ma'am.
There's no right and wrong. There is no right choice. There's no one rule to rule all rules.
Why the mind is such a... all the things.
Mind is your creation, darling. You created it. How did you create it? Everything you learned, everything you agreed and aligned with, everything you reacted and resisted to, you bought it and you filed it in your subconscious mind. You may forget it, but that subconscious mind doesn't forget it. Everything you made right, everything you made correct, everything you made wrong, everything you made bad, ugly, vicious, whatever, good. Wherever you read it, wherever you heard it, you just stored it in your subconscious mind. Now what is it doing? It's just coming up, popping up, telling you, reminding you of the same thing. But now what you have to do is, आगे तो वो काम करता था, अब वो नहीं करता. जब वो नहीं करता तो क्या करते हो? जो चीजें काम नहीं करती उनको क्या करते हो? Do you throw them away or do you just keep carrying them with you? They've rotted. Some things in your cupboard have rotted. Some clothes that you don't fit into now. What do you do? Do you just keep them there, looking at them and then cribbing, oh my God, हमें पूरे नहीं आते ये नहीं, oh मेरे ये तो खराब हो गया. Do you do that or you just throw it away or give it to somebody else? What do you do? Are you willing to give up? Are you willing to give up? Are you willing to give
We
up?
just give it away.
Yeah, or are you willing to give up on the kachra that's not working for you now?
Yes. Yes.
Or you parolo the kachra in the kitchen. What do? Do you just throw it or do you keep saying, oh, इसमें कुछ चीज तो रह नहीं गई और फिर मैं नहीं दूंगी और फिर पड़ा रहेगा और फिर नहीं पड़े. वो क्या करता है? फिर वो सड़ान मारता है, वो बदबू छोड़ता है. Is that your very being? No. Your very being is happy when it's joyous. Your very being is lightness, total lightness when you're choosing you. When you're choosing the joy of you. Okay, let me ask you, what is happiness for you? I might have asked that many times, but I'll still ask. What is happiness for you?
Happy by doing the housework, happy looking around.
Truth. Are you happy doing housework?
Happy. Sometimes I'm not happy doing it, but sometimes I enjoy it.
Are you aware when you're not happy and when you're happy?
Yes, yes.
And you can still choose to do it.
Yes,
Even when
yes.
you're not happy, if you have to do it, you do it. But where do you do it from?
If you're
That's-
not happy, then we should not do it. If you're not happy.
If you're not happy and you have to do it, then what choices do you have? Then can you ask yourself a question? What question would
What
be?
can
If there was a question there that you don't want to do it, but you have to do it, then what do you do? If there was a question there, what would be there? What would be the question?
What can
How
I
much fun can I have doing this anyway?
Yeah.
I've never heard that one.
Or do I do it now? Or do I do it later? Or do I manipulate somebody else to do it?
Okay, can I?
What choices do you have at that moment?
Someone that's even better. How can I manipulate someone else to do it? Yay!
Hey! Instead of just sitting there and cribbing and washing and saying, वो भी नहीं करता, वो भी नहीं करता, ये भी नहीं होता, वो भी नहीं होता. Oh my God, my hand is paining so much. Can somebody help me now? Would people come to help you then?
Yes.
No one.
So everywhere you are the true humanoid who has to do everything, who has to be correct, who has to, and also make yourself wrong for it. Would you be willing to choose that? Would you be willing to not choose that?
Yes.
Yes.
Everything that doesn't love,
Yes.
adjust to and get it all right, wrong, good, bad, pop, padonna, short boys and beyond.
Yes. like that also can
I
be
shift
possible.
my energy whenever I'm not happy with the situation. I start chatting with someone. I just shift my energy.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you for
Yes.
saying that. It's
Yeah.
only energy.
Yes.
You can just shift it. You are the power. You just shift it. How cool is that? Thank you, Bindu. Thank you so much. So, any questions? So, what is happiness for you?
Being in the moment and just enjoying whatever comes, good, bad, ugly. Just being in the situation and enjoying.
Oh,
नहीं है तो
that's-
भाग. And if you're not in sync with it, भाड़ में जाए.
I love that.
Then you can say interesting point of view.
Ah, interesting
For
point of view.
me, saying भाड़ में जाए, interesting point of view is one and the same.
I know. It
थोड़ी
sounds the
variation
same.
हो
It
जाती
has
है
the
ना.
same energy.
Yeah, and there's a variation to your words also.
Yeah, exactly. You choose what works for you.
Yes.
Are people different? Do you look around and see people are same as you or they are different?
Different.
Very different. I see 99.9% people just cribbing.
Yes.
And do you wonder why wouldn't they choose fun? Why wouldn't they try something new? And you know, when you choose something different, when you are choosing something they are not choosing, say some noise here, please will you make yourself mute yourself, Stinder?
This is Priya. Yeah. Priya.
Okay.
Priya, where's Priya? There's Priya, okay. Oh, hi Priya. So please mute yourself, darling, because there's noise. मुझे पूरा ही म्यूट कर दिया. Hello.
Yes, Kaval.
So what came up was that if I'm not doing exactly what other people want me to do, then they feel that I'm invalidating them. Does it happen with you also? I'm making them wrong. I should be as sad as them, and I am not. I am enjoying, like Satinder said.
Yes.
So do you have
It's
people?
their choice then. If,
Yes, Tinder?
because their choice, they don't want to be happy. Then
No, but that is okay. For them not being happy and me being happy is okay. But when they start invalidating, they start thinking that I am invalidating them, that I am making them wrong for choosing what they are choosing, that is when I get little into question. What do? Do you have people like that in your life? Who
I have a
think
question. Why don't they also change and become happy like what I am?
that is a different thing. They choose what they choose. You can't change them.
नहीं, उनको एटलीस्ट तभी बोल सकते हैं कि चॉइस करो.
क्यों बोलोगे?
ममता वो तुम्हारी तरह
पूछूंगी तो-
इतने एनलाइटेंड नहीं है ना.
नहीं, बट व्हेन मैम का सिचुएशन इतना ऑड होता है ना, तो फिर सुनने को भी तैयार होते हैं. व्हेन दे हैव नो अल्टरनेट्स नहीं है अभी, तो देन दे से या ओके.
सुन तो लेंगे, करेंगे. सुन तो लेते हैं बहुत लोग, करेंगे. What energy do you get? Are you
अप्लाई नहीं
coming?
करेंगे.
Are you coming from the energy that I know more and I'll tell them and now they listen, or are you coming from? Are they asking you? For it?
No.
Are they asking you
No,
for it?
I'm not coming with the energy. Yes, sometimes.
Oh, good. Go ahead if they're asking. That's the first step.
But if they are not asking also, I give them the choice. See, what I'm doing, you can try that. If you have a choice, if you're making a choice, I can tell you what we are doing. And you can come into the excess or whatever, do the...
I tried that many times.
but
I tried with
I
so
think-
many people that I made them run away.
Sometimes it works.
Okay, cool. If it
No,
works,
sometimes it works, ma'am.
good.
Like
Go
my
ahead.
son before was not into excess at all. Yes, my son was not into excess. But now he listened to the questions.
The best part is Mamta tells all the time.
That's all I do. My niece who was very upset in Singapore. Very upset. 2 दिन से वो भी question पूछ रही है. Masi, now what?
How does it get any better than this,
So
Mamta?
what happens is,
Better than that. Yes.
अब मासी facilitator बन गई है. Awesome.
Awesome. Yes, Sagri, you were saying something? No. Okay. Bindu was saying.
yes, what I was saying was that, you see, in the beginning, when we find something that gives us so much of change and we have gotten out to the rabbit hole, we feel evangelical, we want to tell everybody, and then that energy is very strong and pushy, and it makes them run. You said people ran away from you, right?
Yeah. they
So
do.
that's also a curve. They're like that. And then after that, we become the invitation.
Yeah.
So
That's what
you
I-
are telling them something with actually no point of view. Early past that, and then it's just an invitation. Yeah, I've got this. You could have it too. So would you like to try? So that draws them in if they are willing to choose it. And if they don't, we just have to be in allowance of that. Okay. Not to say that we should not tell people, but I think nowadays I follow my awareness and I ask this question: can this person hear what I have to say?
Exactly.
So if I get a yes, then I tell them. If I get a no, I just hold my peace and I say, okay.
I agree.
I know it's difficult with people who are very close to you because, this has been a curve for me as well. And, I've gone hammer and tongs at trying to make, in quotes, people's lives better. But that isn't.
Don't we all do that?
Yeah, we all do that. And then you kind of learn over a period of time when to say, what to say, how to, draw them in slowly. Yeah, my husband's a great case, and because when I used to go hammer and tongs at him, naturally he was running from me. But now, he's more open to all the things that I'm doing, and sometimes he tries it also. So, well, that's where we are.
Yeah. Thank you so much for all that. Thank you. And also sometimes we misapply laughter or happiness as being maniac. Oh, all the time joking, all the time laughing, all the time, And sometimes I used to do that a lot. That's why I can really relate to it. That actually wasn't happiness. That was actually hiding something that I didn't want people to see. Any of you do that? Nervous laughter.
I do.
Every time people misidentify that as happy.
Yes.
Now I can be just quiet and I be still happy. Not say anything, not jump around and just be. I know from that sound of silence, that sense of peace, that joy. I could be just sitting on the chair outside in my lawn and I feel like I don't need anything. Like I have it all. I don't have to show my happiness to anybody. Everything that brought up for any one of you, will you be willing to destroy and get it on? Right, wrong, good, bad, backward, all nice, short, boys. Yes, Bindu.
I said you are in that space at that moment.
Yeah. Exactly. So you people are aware of that, right? Are you aware of
You were about to say,
Yes.
Amal, you were about to say something about a question. If somebody feels that you are invalidating the other person, you were. It got lost, that track. You were saying something.
Said that sometimes when you are being very happy and you're being joyous and you're being free and people are sad around you and they think we are invalidating them and they think we are making them wrong for not choosing what I'm choosing. Do you have anybody around you like that? Anybody relates to that?
Not right now, but I just was wondering what question came to your mind about that.
Just an awareness came and I said, ऐसे भी होता है, कितनी बार होता है, मेरे को याद है होता था. Even that time I was maniacally I was just trying to pretend I'm happy, but I was used to be happy. जो people think ये पागल है, ये क्या है, इस टाइम इसको ये सूझ रहा है, इसका. I'll just come out of a meeting and I'll say, oh, let's go to the lake, let's go dance, and people think that she's mad. Yeah, she ghar jaake 10 aur kam karne hain. What's this woman up to? So that only happened with me. None of them. None of you experienced that. Things just pop up. When I'm talking to you people, things just pop up. And I just say them. I don't hide. I don't say, okay, nahi, abhi right time nahi hai, abhi wo. I just say it.
You are vulnerable.
I'm an open book.
That is your brownie point.
Actually, thank you for saying that, because I feel that there is I'm free of this ease, because all secrets have to make you take away your ease from you. You have to hide something. That takes away your ease from you. That takes away you from you. And then so much of this ease creates the disease in your body. What if there was something different, very different available for you? And whenever you start to share your things, you feel, oh, the other one has even a shittier secret than I have. When you sit together and start sharing your shit or whatever you secret or whatever you hidden or whatever you think, my God, it's so hideous, so bad, so shameful that I can't share it with anybody. When you start sharing it, you give courage to million others to share their shit and free themselves from that. Every secret keeps us tied and keeps us contracted and takes our ease away from us and gives us disease. So what are you willing to choose? What are you willing to create and have in your life? What if there was really something very different available for you? Would you be willing to choose that?
Yes.
Okay, something very interesting happened yesterday. So I was listening to this some tape, I think Dane's. So he said, and you have also been saying that what is it that you would like to do, what you loved to do at any point of time, you just bring it out from your, and nothing was coming to me. Day before, just shared that one of our friends runs an Airbnb in Manali, and yesterday just popped up at some meditative time in a meditative thought that I used to love hills, and I maybe what if I live in hills and something to do with that. So it was very childlike energy, very childlike, something you really liked from inside. I don't know if it has anything to do with making money.
Yeah, just go ahead.
But it just came. That's it, just came. I was surprised that I didn't even remember.
And then everything that comes, what do? You just dismiss it, or you ask a question? Oh my God, what is this? What can I do for this? Can I change? Can I have something? What is it coming to me for? Is there anything, universe, that you're giving me? Is there any knocking? Is there a whisper? Is it for something greater, or to choose, or whatever?
I did something like that only, and whatever language I did, and I said,
Yeah.
okay, let me know. Let me know if anything, if it's a whisper. Yeah.
A lot of times we get the awareness, but we don't choose to be aware. We just lock it off. We just ignore it. We just discard it. What's right about that? We are not getting. We don't ask. So everywhere you have discarded, ignored, or pretended not to see, or refused to see the whispers of the universe. That could totally alter the reality, could totally alter the reality and give you back. Would you be willing to destroy it?
Actually,
Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, on a short, boys and beyond.
Actually, I started my the line that the life education was thinking that there used to be an institute in Hills, and I wanted to go there to work. It was totally just based on that. You know? So I never, I then ended up doing something else, but it was, yeah.
Just keep yourself in question and not burst the bubble. Happiness bubble. What we do is we burst the happiness bubble. It's there, and then oh, ऐसे थोड़ी हो सकता है, ऐसे थोड़ी कर सकती हो, थोड़ी मैं करती थी, and you. So everywhere we have bursted the bubbles, the balloons, the whispers, instead of asking a question and getting clarity. Would you be willing to destroy and get it on? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, on a short, boys and Satish, you want to say something? Hello. Sagri, you want to say something?
Hello, Kamji.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
This is a
Just enjoying conversation.
Hello.
I think someone wants to speak and they can't hear.
Is that Satish?
Kanchan, some Kanchan is there?
Yes,
Uska naam
Kanchan.
हाँ जी, हाँ.
Kanchan is there. Kanchan, you want to say something, darling?
Kamji. Yeah, I think some. मेरे सर में ना एक मैक्सिमम भारीपन रहता है, तो उसके लिए मैं क्या करूं? Every time I live in worries and stuckness and heaviness. What question can I be here, and what is lightness for me? I don't understand properly.
अगर क्वेश्चन ना हो वहां पे तो चॉइस क्या होगी? आपके पास चॉइस क्या है?
चॉइस बस लाइटनेस होना चाहते हैं, पर कुछ समझ नहीं आता कि क्या करूं जो ये लाइटनेस आ जाए. चॉइस समझ में नहीं आ रही.
लाइटनेस की ओके. आपने कितनी क्लास एक्सेस की करी है? बार्स करी हुई है?
हाँ, बार्स ओनली बार्स फ्रॉम माय सिस्टर.
एक बार्स क्लास करी है बस, है ना? अच्छा, तो क्लास के बाद क्या हुआ था?
जी.
जब क्लास करी थी उसके बाद क्या
क्लास के
हुआ?
बाद ये है कि जब रन
इमीडिएटली बात क्या हुआ था कुछ?
डेली रन करती थी तो काफी अच्छा लगता था।
अच्छा, पता है, ये क्या होता है कि जब हम क्लास करते हैं उसके बाद जब हम इसी वर्ल्ड में वापस आते हैं और हमें पता ही नहीं लगता कि हम अपनी कितनी एनर्जी लोगों को खुश करने में लगा देते, सिचुएशंस को ठीक करने में लगा देते।
जी, या हाँ,
तो हमें उस सिचुएशन में से इस सिचुएशन में आफ्टर द क्लास ट्रांजिट करने में थोड़ा टाइम लग जाता है। कैसे चुने? अब इतने साल तो हम वही कर रहे थे जो सब लोग कह रहे थे, जो सब लोग खुश हो रहे थे, जो उनको खुश करने में लग गया। तो अब जब हम एक्सेस करते हैं तो हमें वो कहते हैं कि अपने आप को भी खुश करना लगो, तो हमें उसका तालमेल नहीं समझ में आता।
हाँ, एग्जैक्ट,
है ना? तो
हाँ,
ये फिर हम, क्योंकि हम बड़े कंफर्टेबल होते हैं उस चीज में, और एक क्लास करने के बाद और कुछ थोड़ी देर के लिए हम
थोड़ा अनईजी हो जाते हैं, कुछ
उसके
अजीब
बाद
सा
हम
लगता
फिर
है।
वही सिचुएशन में आ जाते हैं, चलो इन्हीं कोई खुश कर लो, समझ आता नहीं। पर लेकिन हम हमेशा ये कहते हैं कि अगर आपने एक भी क्लास एक्सेस की करी है तो आप वापस नहीं जा सकते। आपके पास ये भी ऑप्शन नहीं रह जाती कि आप वापस उसी दुनिया में चले जाओ जिस दुनिया से आप आए। अब उस दुनिया में आप खुश नहीं रह सकते, क्योंकि आपको पता है कि इधर भी एक और दुनिया है जहां पे मैं जाके खुश रह सकती हूँ।
हाँ जी,
ये मालूम है मैं यहाँ जाके खुश रह सकती हूँ, लेकिन ये नहीं पता कि हम कैसे उस जगह पे जाएं। टूल्स नहीं यूज कर पाते, क्योंकि एक क्लास के बाद या तो हम इतने अपने आप में कमिटेड हैं कि हम मैनुअल अपने पास। तो मेरे कहाँ तक थी मैं? अच्छा, आपने अब वो यहाँ से यहाँ जाने की जो जर्नी है वो ऐसे नहीं आएगी जब तक आप अपने आप को कमिट नहीं करो। जब आप अपने आप को हर रोज कोई ना कोई एक, मैं तो हमेशा कहती हूँ, एक बार्स करने के बाद एक बार्स रन करो और एक कॉल जरूर सुनो। बेशक 10 मिनट की, बेशक 5 मिनट की, बेशक 15 मिनट की, आधा घंटे की, जितना आपके पास टाइम है वो एक कॉल। आजकल जब हमने एक्सेस ज्वाइन किया था तो कुछ फ्री नहीं था, कुछ यूट्यूब के ऊपर हार्डली फ्यू थिंग्स होती थी जो हम सुन सकते थे। अब तो हर रोज आपको इतना फ्री मटेरियल मिलता है कि आपकी जरूरतें और आपके आंसर सब उसी में ही मिल सकते हैं। तो मैं सजेस्ट करूंगी कि एक कॉल जरूर सुनो, और उस कॉल में अगर एक या दो भी क्लियरिंग है, वो क्लियरिंग अपने पेपर पे लिख के सारा दिन जब भी आपके पास टाइम है पढ़ो, और गेट योर बाज रन। आप कहो कि अब मैंने एक क्लास कर रही है, अब मैं कुछ करूंगी नहीं, मैं कमिट करूंगी नहीं, और मैं रोती रहूंगी और मैं यही करूंगी जो मैं कर रही हूँ, फिर कुछ चेंज नहीं होने वाला।
ओके,
है ना? तो हर टाइम पे जब वो कंट्रैक्शन आती है, जब वो घबराहट आती है, जब वो लाइटनेस नहीं होती, हैवीनेस होती है, आप क्या करो? लोग अभी बिंदु ने कहा था कि मैं उस वक्त किसी को फोन कर लेती हूँ, या मैं क्या करती हूँ, मैं बाहर पौधों में चली जाती हूँ, मैं पानी देने लग जाती हूँ, मैं कॉल कर लेती हूँ, मैं कॉल सुन लेती हूँ फटाफट। कोई अपने पास कितनी रिकॉर्डेड कॉल्स हैं वो सुन लेती हूँ, मैं फेसबुक पे जाके कई कॉल्स फ्री होती है मैं वो सुन लेती हूँ। क्या होता क्या है? हमने चेंज क्या करना है? हमने कुछ चेंज नहीं करना, हमने कोई सिचुएशन चेंज नहीं करनी, हमने कोई कहानी चेंज नहीं करनी, हमने कुछ चेंज नहीं करनी, हमने सिर्फ एनर्जी शिफ्ट करनी
जी।
वो कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड एनर्जी जो हमें इस वक्त है, उसको एकदम से ठीक करने के लिए मुझे क्या करना है? कोक पी सकते हो, अपने लिए नींबू पानी बना सकते हो, स्विमिंग कर सकते हो, टब में बैठ सकते हो, नलके के नीचे खड़े हो सकते हो, anything that feels good to you. At that time is the most important thing is to choose you. उस वो मिनट में अगर आप उस हैवीनेस से निकलना चाहते हो तो एक 5 मिनट के लिए अपने आप को चुन लो. बस वो एनर्जी 5 मिनट क्या, वो एनर्जी एक कुछ सेकंड्स में चेंज हो जाती है. हमें पता भी नहीं लगता, हमें पता भी नहीं लगता,
पावर नहीं कर रहे.
सॉरी, हमें पता भी नहीं लगता कि हम कहाँ वो एनर्जी को होल्ड कर रहे हैं, कहाँ वो एनर्जी को इंपॉर्टेंस दे रहे हैं, कहाँ उसको वैलिडेट कर रहे हैं. फिर वो बढ़ती जाती, फिर वो बढ़ती जाती, फिर वो बढ़ती जाती है. हम so access empowers you to choose happy. Access empowers you, gives you so many tools. Even if whatever is going around you, even if whatever is happening around you, you have the tools to come out of that heaviness immediately if you so desire.
Very nice.
What if your reality was, what if your reality was different? What if your reality wasn't this, that it is? It's just a choice away. Choose it. Yes, Bindu, आप कुछ कह रहे थे? Thank you, Kanchan. Thank you so much for that question. Is it? Has it helped in any way?
मैं कंचन ये कह रही थी कि
हाँ बोलो बिंदु.
I was saying कि उस सिचुएशन का पावर करने मत दो. If you are not happy in that situation, just shift. कुछ चीज अलग सोचो उसी वक्त और फटाफट निकल आओगे उस सिचुएशन.
Thank you, Bindu.
एक से मतलब थोड़ी देर में आप एक छुट्टी जाओगे, आप अपनी एनर्जी शिफ्ट कर सकते हैं.
या हम लोग, मेरे को याद है शुरू में मैं एक्सेस में आई तो मैं सोचती थी why they are not happy, why they are not choosing different, why they are always judging people, why they have so many points of views, they are clogging, they are suffocating themselves when there is a different possibility available. उन लोगों के पास नहीं है जो बाहर बैठे. You are different, you are unique, you are daring, you are courageous. That's why you are here. Choose you, my love. Choose you yourself in every now moment. Okay. और कुछ भी नहीं आता तो what is this? What can I do about this? Can I change it? How can I change it? अगर मुझे खुद को चुनना होता तो मैं इस वक्त क्या कर रही हूँ? Just choose that.
This lockdown we were so used to the comfortable life. People were working, but now when we working, shoulder pain एक होती है. But मैं उस समय energy, I shift my energy. मैं और fitness आ गई है. I'm more vigilant. और मेरी बॉडी में बड़ी स्विफ्टनेस आ गई है. I'm so easy now. Otherwise वो पेन होती रहती थी because पानी हाथ. Yeah. So I take it around. I feel I have become more swift. में फर्क आ गया है. I am enjoying this space. Though I have to work still, all of us are working, but मजा आ रहा है. इसमें भी मजा आ रहा है. And gratitude for people who are working for us. और gratitude आ गया है उनके लिए.
Really? और कितनी जरूरतें कम हो गई हैं, कितनी भाग दौड़ कम हो गई है.
Yes.
Earlier कवल एक दिन भी कोई नहीं आता था. I would stand near the window और वॉचमैन को बोलती थी कोई मिल जाए उसको पकड़ के ले आओ to clean my utensils, clear the house. But really I'm telling you, इतनी handicap थी. Now I feel I'm so active. I'm very happy. मैं अब classes भी कर रही हूँ. I'm listening to the calls also. मेरे पास गप्पे भी मारी हूँ. I have so much time.
So
and,
much.
And I'm cooking the best of food, मतलब variety of things. So
How does
my son was saying the other day, Ma, where had you hidden all this? Go and fish curry, go and prawn curry. You make me feel as if I'm in Goa.
does it
Then
get
I
any better
said,
than this?
yeah, yeah.
How
So
does
see
it get
the
any better than this? Thank
so,
you.
so yeah, so see the better side of life. यार रोने के लिए तो कोई एंड ही नहीं है,
एंड ही नहीं, रोने के लिए तो कोई
एंड
एंड
ही
ही
नहीं है.
बिल्कुल.
और किसके आगे रोगे, किसके आगे रोगे और क्यों रोगे? मतलब मुझे देख के लोग बड़े पेप अप हो जाते हैं, मेरे घर के लोग. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दोस पीपल. और somebody calls me कि बिंदु तेरे से बात करके मुझे मजा आ जाता है, तो आई फील सो हैप्पी यार, किसी को कुछ कंट्रीब्यूट कर. आई एम नॉट बीइंग द सुपीरियर विच
No, no,
I
you're
am at
such a
times.
contribution. Please acknowledge it.
Yeah, I am
Please.
acknowledging.
Thank you
I
for
am
acknowledging.
acknowledging. So people call up and say, you know, I just felt like uplifting myself. So just a talk or two. जबकि
Exactly.
दर्दे मेरे
What
भी
a
बहुत हैं.
contribution. What a contribution.
कवल मेरी बॉडी में सच्ची में रात को मैं सोचती हूँ इतने एक से, पर मुझे किसी ने एक बार समझाया था कितना भी हार्ड वर्क करो, रात खत्म होने से पहले फिनिश ऑफ एवरीथिंग, because those 6 or 7 hours of sleep will, you know, give your body the rest which it requires, and then you are fresh for a new day. So life is beautiful. Let it be that way.
Let's see the beauty around.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Any questions, guys? You know, don't try to make people happy. Get that. Remember that. Recognize that you cannot make people happy. People are happy being unhappy. Let them be. Honor their choices. People are happy.
रेनू से बहुत मार खाती थी जब मैं तब देखो फुदक फुदक के आती है क्लास में.
Well, I'm getting a nice, such a contribution, Kaval, you are to us. All the answers what I wanted to put up have come today. All the
Yeah.
answers have come today.
That is one thing very amazing about
Because
Access is that what you have in your mind, somebody picks it up and asks the same question.
because I was not into awareness. There's always a turmoil in your mind with different reactions of different people. So how do I deal with that?
You just be in allowance of them. They are who they are. They will be who they are. Are you? अब बाहर कुछ भी आपके घर के बाहर कोई झगड़ा हो रहा है, लड़ाई, कुत्ते भौंक रहे हैं, तो आप क्या करोगे? क्या जाके उनको डांटना शुरू
सुनेंगे?
उनको
नहीं.
फैजा, हाय फैजा, वेलकम टू सी यू, वेलकम. हाँ, तो आप उनको क्या करोगे? मारोगे? दौड़ाओगे? नहीं ना?
No.
You do not need to understand somebody's reality. You do not need to change their reality. Everyone has the right to live the life they desire to live. Like you have the right to live your life the way you desire to live. Let them be. Ask them, is that your reality? No, you don't have to ask them if they don't want to. You just ask yourself, is that their reality? Are they happy in that? Cool. You don't necessitate to make others happy. If you recognize people are happy being unhappy, it makes your life a lot easier. Lot easier. You just ask, what is my reality? And where will I find it? If I'm finding wherever I am and I am at ease with myself, oh, good. How does it get any better than this? What else is possible? It's so simple.
is
I thought-
simple, but
Yeah.
now they expect some reactions from me, and I'm not giving them any reactions
Yeah,
because
कितना
I've become aware.
कितना frustrating है ना उनके लिए कि कोई reaction ही नहीं आ रहा. So when you
अब
don't, when you
पहले
don't,
मेरे लिए वो frustrating होता था.
so when you don't have a reaction for them, you give them space to see where they are functioning.
Judgments. Now I'm not doing anything.
जब मैं रिएक्शन देती हूँ फिर आप देते हो, मैं देती हूँ, आप देते हो, तो हमारा सारा फोकस इसी सिचुएशन पे रहता है. And when you are not giving any reaction, they have a space now to look within as to why they are choosing what they are choosing.
Right.
So you are being a contribution by not reacting. People want reaction. People want drama, trauma.
Thank you.
Thank you. That's their reality, that's their choice. And just be in allowance of what everybody else is choosing. They will choose when they will choose. You don't have, you're telling them will not help.
सही बात. कोरोना टॉपिक यूज कर लो.
Anji, Satinder?
On a large poster cover.
Yes. Yes, Bindu?
Cover on a small poster, I have written all of life comes to me with ease, joy and glory. Okay. My husband would wonder why have you written this? So he says, I don't wake up without reading it. It has brought lots of shift in my life. तो एक मुझे बोलना नहीं पड़ा, बोलती थी तो समझ नहीं आता था. एक पोस्टर लगा दिया मैंने in my bedroom. So when he wakes up, he reads, the first thing he sees is that poster. He says, some magic is there. It has brought a lot of shift in my life.
That's why we say 10 times in the morning, 10 times in the evening.
Yeah.
But we
Yes.
can write it on the poster and hang it.
Yeah,
Of
why not?
course, anywhere.
Why not? Who anybody stopping you from it?
Also
You are the
because
one who's
only
stopping you.
access conscious would
Sorry?
Kamal ma'am, because upon we don't have to that we use this word all life comes to me with these glory. Who have not done the access conscious,
Yeah.
can we give them these tools?
Of course. Give free. Access is giving free tools to everybody. Telling please do that. We are even allowed to
No,
go into
I've been thinking
corporates,
only
into schools and do bars for them. You don't have to do bar classes for them. They don't have to choose bars classes, people in the schools, in the corporates. You can just give them minimum only about the points and let them run. And the lump sum they pay you. You don't have to take charge of the money. The same amount of money that we charge for bars. We are allowed to do that too. You please, your being you is changing the world. If you are using the tools, they are already getting it. Please write the tools. There are
I
no
whole
rules.
day bring all that comes to me. Okay.
Yeah, do that. Write down on piece of paper and
Only we
write.
can use this tool.
Sorry.
No, I thought we can only use for ourselves because we have done access conscious and my family has not done it, so they should not.
No. Please spread the tools. Please.
I thought they must be against the rule.
There is
Thank
no
you,
rule. We
ma'am.
don't have
Thank
any
you
rules
for-
and regulations.
Okay.
Just be you instead.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Bindu, for letting me know this. Thank you so much.
And I've got a client at home. My husband wants to learn how to run bars. So I have a client at home. I'll be rich by evening or by tomorrow. In 2 sessions, I'll do the bars class with him.
How does it get any better than that? What else is possible?
Yeah.
Awesome.
You have a client at home only.
Yeah. Yes, I have a client at
It's so
home.
lucky you have a client at home only.
Bakra Kishtom mein.
You know,
Very lovely.
you know, we have, I've shared it earlier also, we have got 19, 20 people or family members. Okay, guys, I see the time.
आ गई है
I see the time.
नौकर आ गई है आज
9:10. Please, will you show your faces, all of you, before you say bye?
Yes.
All of you want to see your faces, guys.
Be visible, ladies. Be visible.
Yeah, come on. My internet doesn't want to see you.
Oh.
No, I'm here again, please. Oh, how lovely. Where is Priya and Shikha and Satish and Param and Nippy? Where are you guys? Come on, show your faces. Don't want to see? Show? Okay, never mind. It's a choice. Thank you, Kanchan.
it's a Sunday no
Thank you.
Fiza, we'd like to have you at 8 o'clock next time. Satish,
Yeah. Yes.
Shikha, please, all of you,
Yeah.
be here at 8 next Sunday. Lovely to have you here and thank you for your contributions. Love you all.
It's almost 1:40,
Thank you.
1:45.